Good morning. My name is Lena. I get up so early to do the morning prayer and recite the Quran. Then I return to my bed because it is so early to do my chores. Therefore, surfing the internet is the best choice. After that, I prepare a delicious breakfast for me and my family. At 7:30, I am ready to go to my work. There, I do all that is required to do in my office. At 2 o'clock, I finish my work and come back to my house, and that is the lunchtime for me. I have my lunch, then I go straight to my bed to take a nap. At 4 o'clock, I usually take a shower and have my cup of tea with my family. Then I start to prepare to cook dinner. I usually ponder about what I should cook for a while. At 6 o'clock, I listen to some podcasts by d.Wellied. After washing the dishes, I watch a movie or two, depending on my mood. At 2 a.m., I go to sleep. This is Lena, and this is my daily routine. Spoken to you by Mr. Walid.